When you partner with PEAC, the benefits don't end at affordable financing solutions for your customers. We have technology like PEAC Portal to help you manage your application pipeline and customer portfolio. Our partners have 24/7 access to check the current status of customer applications or to look up the history of a contract. Let's explore PEAC Portal. We have easy login with 24/7 access. Once you're in the portal, it's simple and fast to submit an application. After logging into the portal, you can begin the application process by providing a few details about your customer and add assets. Next, you can calculate monthly payment and submit your application to credit. You can review your application along with your documents and then create documents and then send them for e-signatures. An email will be sent to you that will direct you to DocuSign. Here, you can complete your documentation with your customer and a copy will automatically be saved in PEAC Portal. Save time and skip the call to your PEAC Solutions sales rep, unless you just want to say hi.